we're just going to go over this particular thing again, but this time because what I'm trying to show you is that you can utilize a bitmap with vector. Okay, so you've power clipped the world and you basically the customer wants you to add some text around the outside. So same principles again. Let's click on the ellipse tool. Let's bring it over to the center of planet Earth, and using, yes, again, the Shift and Control key, we're going to pull out backwards with the mouse and let go, and that's going to give us the circle. I'm going to highlight both of these items, E and C, on the keyboard as shortcuts to align centrally and horizontally and vertically, so that's bang in the middle. Now I'm going to put some text around the outside. I'm going to put something like out of this world. And I'm going to pick a nice cartoony type font. Let's have a look on the menu. That'll do. Something like that, out of this world. So holding on to the text, shift key down, pick the ellipse tool, fit text to path, text, fit text to path, drop that round, and that has now added the text all the way around the outside of the world. And again, remember, we can click on the red dot and we can pull that out. So that's now given us two components that are working together. We've got a vector-based text around the outside, and we've got a bitmap in the middle.